Hi love, I'm going to show you how I revamped this wig right here, taking it from this which you see to this which you see now. If you want to see how I revamped this wig, please keep on watching this tutorial. So the first thing which I'm going to do, of course, is to detangle the hair. I'm going to brush through it with my hairbrush and then pour water to wet the hair and start washing it. And to wash this hair, I'm going to use a Tresemme shampoo, which is the Tresemme Revitalize Color shampoo. Applying a generous amount, I'll then use my hands to massage the product all over the hair and start washing the wig by just pressing it and just trying to distribute the shampoo all over while I'm just massaging the product all over. I'm running my fingers through the hair. You notice that the color is coming off because of course the hair was colored, and I reapplied a little more of that shampoo just to wash the back of that wig that had lots of tangles on it, because of course that's the part of your hair that gets wet from sweating and it's more prone to being a little bit tangled. I'm just trying to ensure that I wash that area really well. Next, what I'm doing right now is just to rinse out the hair. I'm trying to ensure that I rinse out any dirt that is trapped in the hair and just get the hair to be as clean as I possibly can get it to be. So I'm going to rinse it over and over again until I'm pleased with how clean the water looks, but take note, because it's colored hair, it's always going to be colored. So I'm applying that Tresemme conditioner, a very generous quantity, all over the hair. I'm going to use my fingers now to massage the conditioner all over the hair from the up part all the way to the tip of the hair. And next, what I'm going to do is to apply my keratin treatment, which is going to help hydrate, protect and repair the strands of this hair. So I'm going to apply it all the way from the closure area all the way to the tip of the hair, ensuring that I massage that keratin treatment all over the hair to really help repair the strands of this hair and get this hair to look as fresh as new. And what I'm going to do next is to just brush through the hair to ensure that the hair is well detangled and the product further goes into all the strands of the hair. Next, I'm going to apply my castor oil, which is going to help strengthen the strands of this hair, because of course it's colored hair, it's been bleached and a new color reapplied. So of course the strands needs to be strengthened. So I'm going to massage that castor oil all over the hair. And next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and preheat the hair in the microwave for about 2 minutes. And then what I'm going to do next is to rinse it off. Because I used heat to preheat, I used heat on the wig. That's the reason why you notice that more color is coming out. If you're working with colored hair, you probably want to minimize using heat on it, because when you put heat on it, the color is going to come out. But when you probably use like ice cubes to sort of get the conditioners to really sink into the hair, you're going to have notice that the colors leaking out of the hair is going to be less. So I'm just going to rinse this hair thoroughly until I'm pleased with how clean it is. And what I'm going to do is air dry the hair and get to styling it. So this is what the wig looks like after I've air dried it. What I'm doing right now is just to brush through the hair. You notice that the hair is actually naturally wavy. So what I want to do now is to get it to have those beautiful juicy bouncy curls. So to achieve that, what I'm going to do is just a section of the upper part of the hair, and that small section of the hair which is left behind, I'm going to moisturize it. And to moisturize the hair, I'm going to use this Mania Organics Moroccan Argan Growth Oil. I applied it to my hand and I started to massage the hair all over, the oil all over the small section of the hair. I'm also going to spray this heat protectant spray, which is from Defolio. I can't even pronounce the brand name, but that's heat protectant spray I showed you. I'm brushing through the hair and taking a small section of the hair. And I'm going to use my hot coiling wand, which is a 25 millimeter wand, and coil the hair. And you notice that if I'm working on the left side of the wig, I'm coiling the hair to go in the right direction. And by the time I get to coiling the hair on the right side of the hair, you notice that I'm taking the coiling one to go in the left direction. That is basically how I work with my wig. So you're going to just watch and see how I take my time to coil the hair, and then we keep on going along with this tutorial. So if you're watching this video so far and you haven't liked this video and you're not subscribed to my channel, sis, bro, join this growing community on YouTube of people who just love to work on wigs, people who love hair and just like to ensure that their wigs are well maintained, their clients' wigs are well maintained, please join this family by clicking on the subscribe button right below, and also turn on the post notification bell right beside the subscribe button so you don't miss future uploads from me. And also, if you haven't purchased our ebooks, these ebooks are available on our website www.enlbeautyng.com. Take note, the website link is in the description box. So once you go to the description box, you're going to see links on how you can purchase the ebooks, how to start your hair business ebook, an ebook on hair extensions and how to test its quality. The paperback copy of this book, of the how to start your hair business book, is available on Amazon, and a link to how you can purchase it is also in the description box. So head over to the description box to access these links. And of course, if you want to send your bids for me for hair revamp services, send me a message, a DM on Instagram, and I'll let you know how we can go about me revamping your wig for you. And of course, if you're in Lagos, Nigeria, it's going to be a lot easier for you because I'm also residing in Lagos, Nigeria. Yeah. And if you want to purchase wigs from me, also check out my business page on Instagram at ENL Beauty Hair, and on my website as well. You see my wigs there, you see my ebooks, you see like other things that I have, like my makeup products that I also have available on the website. So back to styling this hair. You notice that I'm just taking my time, and after I've coiled the hair all over, I typically leave the coiling wand on the hair for a few seconds to almost a minute, just to ensure that the hair takes in that heat. And after I'm sure that it has taken in the heat, I would then pull out the coiling wand and pin the coils. The products I'm using while styling this hair, of course, is my heat protectant spray and my hair serum. So you see right here that I'm just reapplying the hair serum to the front part of this hair, which I'm about to start styling. Then I also scrunched the hair together and sprayed my heat protectant spray all over the hair. Then what I'm doing right now is trying to style the hair because I want it to be styled as a C part. So I'm using the tail end of that comb to style the C part, and then I start cutting out the hair in small sections to just help me get the closure area to lay flat. So I comb through the hair, I apply hair wax to the flyaway hairs, and I use that coiling wand to flatten the hair around that small section of the hair, and then I just comb it down a little bit more and flatten it more. Then I take another section of hair and flatten it, adding it to the other hair that I just flattened, and then I take the two sections of the hair that I just flattened together, and then I start coiling it. And after I'm done coiling it, I'm going to pin it away and then take another chunk of hair and start the process of course coiling the other section of the hair. So I'm going to wait for that hair to take the heat and then pull out the coils and pin it, clip it away with my hair clip. Yeah, clip it on both sides. Yeah, hold it there secure. Then I would do the same thing again of flattening the hair around that closure area. Take note, the heat protectant spray and hair wax should be used on the closure area when you want to apply heat to style the hair around the closure area. Then this other section right here, you notice I'm also going to apply my hair wax and use that coiling wand to flatten the hair around that closure area. And then I'm just going in to just ensure that I get the part to look as smooth as I want it to look. That's the reason why I'm using that T-pin to just ensure that the C part is really how I want it to be, just to ensure that there are no more adjustments that I have to make after I take out the coiling, take out the pins from the hair. That's after I finish coiling the entire thing. I'm just trying to ensure that everything is well done right now. So what I'm doing right here is just to coil the hair that is on this other side of the hair, of the closure area of the wig rather. And when I'm done coiling it and ensuring that it has taken the heat, I'm going to take out the hair from the coiling wand and pin it up there. Then I'm going to take the other hair that is left on the back side, comb through it, and also flatten the hair around the closure area, and then use the coiling wand to coil the rest of the hair. Yes, and when I've ensured that I've really coiled the hair well, taking my time to ensure that I get to really coil it to be as smooth as I want it to be. And when the hair has taken the heat, I'm going to take out the coiling wand from the hair and clip the hair up there. Then this small last section of the hair, I'm also going to use the coiling wand to just sort of run through it and start coiling that last section of the hair all around the coiling wand. And when I'm done coiling the hair all around the coiling wand, I'm going to leave the hair up. I'm going to leave the coiling wand there for a few seconds, almost a minute, until the hair has taken the heat. I'll pull it out and then clip the hair on top. Then I'm going to spray this hairspray, which is going to help the curls on this hair last longer, because I don't really have a long number of these to leave the pins on this curl for. So I just left it for like a few minutes, for about 30 minutes before I took out the pins. And you can see that with just 30 minutes and that hairspray which I used and the coiling technique that I used, the hair is really giving me that very long lasting bouncy look, which is usually achieved after, like, if it's usually achieved when you let the hair sit there for a really long time. But I'm really glad how this turned out, because I want my clients, the owner of this wig, to have this wig, wear it for a while before she has to comb out the curls. I want the curls to really last on the hair. So I'm really pleased with how it turned out looking. And if you like how the curls of this hair turned out looking, let me know also in the comment section. And if you're getting value from this video, please make sure you smash the like button and let me know in the comment section if you liked this video and also what videos you want to see next. So I'm just trying to style the hair around the closure area right now. I'm just trying to ensure that everything is going in the direction that it's meant to go. Then I went back into that hair wax to just leave the flowery hairs around the closure area. Then next I'm going to use that coiling wand to flatten the hair around the closure area, just to ensure that it looks flawless. This hair has to look very glamorous, it has to look very classy, because I love the color of this hair. It is one of those wigs that can just make you look very rich and very classy and sophisticated. This is the wig right here, this color right here. For my closure girlies, just do something simple like this and you're going to look very, like, you're going to look like money. Yeah, so this is the finished look of this wig. I really liked how it turned out. Let me know in the comment section your thoughts on how the wig turned out compared to how it was originally when we started the process, which is this right here. This is what we started with right here. And what do you think about the final look of this wig compared to what we started with and what we are ending with? So let me know in the comment section. Thanks so much for watching. Remember, be bold, have courage, live a positive life, and I'll most definitely see you in my other videos. Bye, love.